Up to $1.2 million, that's how much an AI engineer can earn at a giant tech company. There are some in the world, most in-demand tech jobs. We're now entering a golden era for AI engineers. It is estimated that by 2026, the United States will need around 2 million AI-specialized workers. In 2025, the winners won't be the marketers, the developers, or the designers. It'll be AI generalists who can do it all. A study revealed that jobs requiring AI skills will grow by nearly 40%. When a lot of these applications start to be used by large financial institutions, by hedge funds and so on, I think the demand for that is going to skyrocket. With tech companies investing billions of dollars in AI development, a gap of opportunity has emerged for engineers specialized in this field. So how did AI engineers become some of the most in-demand workers in the world? In the last decade, the field of artificial intelligence has gone from being a niche technical specialization to becoming one of the most coveted, strategic, and lucrative sectors in the global job market, in particular. Recent data indicates that workers with advanced knowledge of artificial intelligence can earn up to 25% more than their peers with similar profiles in other areas. This premium is not just a temporary trend. It's a reflection of the rapidly growing demand for AI expertise across industries. As companies race to integrate AI into their products and services, the value of specialized skills in this field continues to climb. Additionally, AI jobs pay on average about 77.53% more than other occupations in the tech sector. This means that even within technology, where salaries are already high, AI roles stand out as some of the most lucrative. The competition for top AI talent is fierce, and companies are willing to offer significant compensation packages to attract and retain the best minds. For example, a machine learning engineer might earn up to $300,000 annually, depending on their experience, the complexity of their projects, and the company they work for. These roles often require a deep understanding of algorithms, data analysis, and the ability to solve complex problems that drive innovation. Meanwhile, a software engineer specializing in generative AI could make up to $450,000 a year, especially at leading tech firms or fast-growing startups. These engineers are at the forefront of developing new AI models that power everything from chatbots to creative tools, making their expertise highly sought after. And at the top of the ladder, an AI director can reach up to $1 million annually. These leaders oversee entire AI divisions, set strategic direction, and are responsible for driving innovation at scale within their organizations. These figures really show that salaries for artificial intelligence engineers are not only competitive, but they're also reshaping what's possible in terms of career growth and financial security for tech professionals. In many cases, these salaries actually reach million-dollar levels, a milestone that was once reserved for only the most senior executives in the industry. The income gap between an average professional and a specialized AI engineer can amount to hundreds of thousands of dollars every year, creating new opportunities for wealth and upward mobility. This gap is only expected to widen as AI becomes more deeply embedded in every aspect of business and society. As a result, the rise of AI is transforming the salary expectations of an entire generation of tech professionals, inspiring more people to pursue careers in this dynamic field. So, there's about a 500% increase in the number of jobs that mention generative AI, reflecting just how quickly this technology is being adopted across industries. Companies are eager to find talent that can help them stay ahead in the AI race. And there's about a 6,000% increase in the demand from job seekers for these positions, showing that professionals recognize the incredible potential and rewards of working in AI. The rise of artificial intelligence, honestly, wouldn't be possible without the backing of massive investments from the private sector. Venture capitalists, tech giants, and even traditional companies are pouring billions into AI research, development, and talent acquisition. And more recently, the public sector has opened up to AI as well, with governments around the world launching initiatives to support AI innovation, research, and workforce development. For example, AI has received over $13 billion in investment from Microsoft, a clear sign that the world's largest companies see AI as the future. With this level of support, the AI job market is set to keep growing, offering unprecedented opportunities for those ready to seize them. So, Google has allocated billions of dollars to DeepMind and its generative AI projects in 2025. This massive investment is part of a broader race among tech giants to dominate the next era of artificial intelligence, with Google aiming to stay at the forefront of innovation and research. The scale of these projects is unprecedented, reflecting just how high the stakes have become in the global AI competition. 3 projects in particular have really captured the financial world's attention. Investors and analysts are closely monitoring every move, as these initiatives are expected to reshape not just the tech sector, but the entire economic landscape. The buzz on Wall Street is palpable, with many seeing AI as the next big driver of growth and opportunity. Stargate is this ambitious project led by OpenAI, Oracle, and SoftBank, bringing together some of the most influential players in technology and finance. Their collaboration signals a new era of cross-industry partnerships, all focused on building the infrastructure needed for advanced AI systems, which, by the way, plans to invest $500 billion in artificial intelligence infrastructure in the United States. This is one of the largest single investments in tech history, and it's expected to transform the country's digital backbone, powering everything from research labs to consumer applications. It's expected to generate over 100,000 jobs. These roles will span a wide range of expertise, from data scientists and software engineers to project managers and support staff, creating new opportunities for workers across the country. Apple recently announced an investment of more than $500 billion to expand its AI operations in Houston, Texas. This move not only strengthens Apple's position in the AI race, but also signals a shift in tech investment toward new regions, helping to diversify the industry's geographic footprint. These astronomical figures, amounting to millions and billions of dollars, really testify to the structural impact AI is having on the U.S. economy. The ripple effects are being felt in sectors like finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and education, as AI becomes a foundational technology for future growth. Some of the world's most prominent technology leaders are pledging to invest an initial $100 billion, demonstrating their confidence in AI's transformative potential and their commitment to shaping the future of technology. But honestly, it could be up to $500 billion over the next 4 years. As these investments accelerate, the scale and speed of change are likely to surpass anything we've seen before in the tech industry. The investments aim not only to build more powerful models, but also to create the infrastructure and tools necessary for the next generation of AI breakthroughs. This includes everything from supercomputers to advanced neural networks and new software platforms, but also to train talent and establish the United States as a global leader in technological innovation. Education and workforce development are becoming just as important as hardware and algorithms, as companies race to fill critical roles and maintain their competitive edge. The explosive growth of AI has also revealed a significant talent gap. Despite the surge in demand, there simply aren't enough skilled professionals to fill all the new positions being created, putting pressure on universities and training programs to catch up. According to a report, fewer than 10% of tech professionals actually have advanced skills in artificial intelligence. This shortage is becoming a major bottleneck, and addressing it will be crucial for sustaining the momentum of AI innovation in the years ahead. Of those tech professionals, only a small number have advanced skills in AI. Universities like Stanford, MIT, and Carnegie Mellon have really intensified their AI training programs, but, there's still a large shortage of trained engineers. In light of this reality, salaries just keep rising, and many companies are totally willing to invest millions of dollars in internal training programs, boot camps, and certifications to upskill their employees. In addition to that, specialized AI programs are being created that allow people to access this million-dollar market from pretty much anywhere in the world. The opportunity to radically change one's career path from an average salary to $1 million income has actually become a tangible reality for thousands of young engineers. The rise of AI engineers in the workforce is honestly changing everything. The United States is experiencing something far greater than just another tech trend. It's undergoing a profound structural transformation that is reshaping the very foundation of its economy and the global labor market. This shift is not only about new gadgets or software, but about a fundamental reimagining of how industries operate, how value is created, and how people work and live. The conversation has moved beyond simply debating whether AI is helpful or dangerous. Instead, the real focus is on the sheer magnitude of the change being unleashed, driven by billion-dollar investments, unprecedented technological advances, and a rapidly growing reliance on automated solutions that touch every aspect of our lives, from manufacturing to finance, healthcare, and beyond. In this new era, engineers, data scientists, and AI specialists have become the true protagonists of the 21st century. Their expertise is now at the heart of innovation, powering the systems and platforms that define our digital age. Salaries that reach million-dollar figures aren't even an exaggeration anymore. They are a direct reflection of the immense strategic value that artificial intelligence brings to organizations and economies worldwide. These high earnings highlight just how critical these roles have become. With roles exceeding $400,000 annually, investments nearing $500 billion, and a demand for talent that far surpasses supply, AI engineers have positioned themselves as the architects of the future. Their work is shaping not just products, but the very direction of society. As artificial intelligence becomes deeply integrated into every sector, from healthcare, where it's revolutionizing diagnostics and patient care, to finance, where it's transforming risk assessment and investment strategies, the role of these engineers is only going to become more crucial and far-reaching. The challenge now isn't just to keep training new talent, but to ensure that the AI revolution truly benefits all of society. That means creating quality jobs with fair wages, fostering real opportunities for personal and professional development, and making sure that the promise of AI leads to a more inclusive and prosperous future for everyone. At Economy Media, your opinion really matters to us, so please subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching.